Imagine this. You have just finished a brutal 12-hour workday. You are exhausted, your lower back is aching, and your reflexes are slow. You get into your car, place a hot cup of coffee in the cup holder, and start your drive home. Suddenly, out of the shadows, your tire slams into a massive, jagged pothole you never saw coming. We all know that visceral, violent feeling. The tire crashes, the shock absorber bottoms out, a terrifying metallic thud echoes through the cabin, your coffee spills everywhere, and your spine takes the full force of that kinetic energy. For over a century of automotive history, this has been an inescapable reality. It is a fundamental law of physics. When two physical objects collide, the kinetic energy must be transferred. It travels through the rubber, up the metal suspension arms, into the chassis, and ultimately, into the fragile human body. But what if I told you that a Chinese tech giant has mathematically figured out how to delete that kinetic energy before it ever reaches your spine? Welcome back to Drive and RPM. Today, we are not just doing a standard car review. We are looking at an absolute glitch in the matrix. What you are seeing on screen right now is the newly released 2026 AITO M9. Whether it's running autonomous quality control tests inside the Ceres Superfactory or being pushed to the limit on a test track by a professional driver, the results are the same. Impossible. Look at this visual. The engineers stacked a multi-tier tower of champagne glasses, and in some tests, a completely full-ass open cup of water, right on the edge of the hood. This massive 2.5-ton luxury SUV drives directly over a series of staggered, aggressive speed bumps, and the glasses? They don't fall, the water barely even ripples. It looks like cheap CGI, but it is raw, terrifyingly real engineering. Today, we are going to do a forensic deep dive into exactly how Huawei and Ceres broke the laws of vehicle dynamics. We are going to dissect the Turing chassis, explain the optical physics of the pre-scan 2.0 LiDAR, and show you exactly why legacy automakers are losing sleep over this exact footage. To truly grasp the sheer violence of the engineering happening beneath the floorboards of the AITO M9, we have to understand the limits of human biology and the old guard of luxury cars. Take a legendary flagship like the Mercedes S-Class. It uses what we call a reactive air suspension system. When that S-Class hits a bump, a mechanical sensor detects the sudden upward acceleration of the wheel. It sends a panic signal to the computer, and the computer tells the air strut to soften up. It is a brilliant system, but it is fundamentally flawed because it is always late. It operates exactly like a human flinch. If someone throws a ball at your face, you blink and flinch after your eyes process the danger. The impact is already happening. Reactive suspension is trying to put out a fire that is already burning. The AITO M9 fundamentally rejects this reactive philosophy by introducing the Huawei Turing chassis. Named after Alan Turing, the father of modern computer science, this chassis does not rely purely on mechanical linkages to figure out what is happening on the asphalt. Instead, it relies on predictive spatial mapping. Imagine if your human brain could flex your leg muscles precisely 3 milliseconds before you stepped on a sharp rock, completely negating the pain. That is exactly what the Turing chassis does. It entirely decouples the mechanical suspension from traditional hydraulic constraints. It links every single multi-chamber air spring and continuous damping control valve directly to a central AI brain. The M9 doesn't just feature a suspension system. It features a 4-wheel independent robotic actuator matrix. Every corner of the vehicle is dynamically adjusting its height, its rebound, and its compression rate hundreds of times per second. By actively managing the pitch and roll, the car eliminates the micro vibrations that cause motion sickness and driver fatigue. It protects the human vestibular system in your inner ear, making a 4-hour road trip feel like sitting in your living room. But to adjust before the impact, the AI brain needs eyes. And the eyes on this machine are unlike anything the automotive industry has ever seen. And this isn't just about absorbing bumps. The system is so advanced that it can maintain complete chassis stability, even while driving on 3 wheels. By decoupling each corner, the Turing chassis instantly recalibrates the load distribution, calculating the center of gravity in milliseconds to prevent body roll. It's a level of active geometry control that makes traditional mechanical anti-roll bars look like Stone Age technology. So, how exactly does this massive machine know a speed bump is there, and exactly how tall it is, before the front tires ever touch the rubber? This is where we cross from mechanical engineering into the realm of optical physics. Look at the roofline of the AITO M9. Right above the windshield, you will see a prominent housing. While legacy Western automakers are obsessed with hiding their sensors behind plastic grills to make the car look pretty, Huawei aggressively placed their 192-line high-definition LiDAR at the absolute highest physical point of the vehicle. Why? Because human eyes fail us in bad weather. When you drive in heavy rain or fog, your pupils dilate, the glare from oncoming headlights blinds you, and you miss the pothole. The LiDAR does not care about glare. By placing it high up, it gets an unobstructed, commanding view of the battlefield, avoiding the optical refraction caused by the heat radiating off the asphalt. This LiDAR is the beating heart of the pre-scan 2.0 system. As the driverless M9 approaches that speed bump with the champagne glasses on the hood, it isn't just looking at it like a standard camera. The LiDAR is shooting millions of laser pulses every single second, bouncing them off the asphalt, and measuring the time it takes for the light to return. It creates a microscopic, high-resolution 3D topographical point cloud map of the road up to 150 meters ahead. It calculates the exact volume, the precise curvature, and the exact height of that speed bump. This massive data pipeline is instantly fed into Huawei's MDC computing platform, powered by ultra-fast dual-orin chips. In a fraction of a millisecond, faster than human neurons can fire, the AI calculates the exact kinetic force that the bump will exert on the wheels. And here is the magic trick. Mathematically, the computer commands the air suspension on the front wheels to actively lift and retract into the wheel well at the exact same physical rate that the bump rises from the ground. The car isn't absorbing the impact. It is physically erasing the obstacle's existence by moving its own mechanical legs out of the way. That is why the chassis stays perfectly level. That is why the champagne tower doesn't fall. It is a symphony of lasers, code, and electromagnetism designed entirely to protect the human spine. Now, you can have the smartest artificial intelligence and the fastest LiDAR in the world. But it is completely useless if the physical skeleton of the car is weak. Just like the human body relies on a dense, strong skeletal structure to protect vital organs during a fall, a vehicle needs an unbreakable core. If a chassis twists or bends even 1 single millimeter during a high-speed suspension maneuver, all of that brilliant mathematical calculation goes out the window. A bent ruler cannot draw a straight line. And this brings us to the ultimate Trojan horse behind this vehicle, the HEMA Alliance. Huawei provides the brain, the software, the thermal management, and the autonomous neural network. But the heavy metal, the pure industrial muscle, is provided by Ceres. The footage of the car driving itself around the factory is taking place inside the Ceres Superfactory in Chongqing. This facility is a marvel of automated manufacturing that removes human error from the heavy lifting. To ensure that the AITO M9 has the astronomical torsional rigidity required to support the Turing chassis, Ceres utilizes a monstrous 9,000-ton Gigacasting press, instead of stamping out dozens of small steel parts and having human welders fuse them together, which creates microscopic points of failure and allows for flexing over time. Ceres die-cast the entire rear underbody of the M9 out of a single, massive piece of high-strength aluminum alloy. This creates an unbreakable vault around the passengers. When the air suspension fires its actuators to swallow a pothole, 100% of the kinetic energy is absorbed by the pneumatic chambers, and 0% is lost to chassis flex. And this human-centric engineering extends beyond the cabin. The M9 features a 1.3 million pixel micro LED projection system in its headlights. If the AI detects a pedestrian trying to cross a dark, BS unlit road, the car can literally project a bright, temporary digital crosswalk directly onto the asphalt, communicating with humans outside the car. It is the perfect marriage of heavy industrial manufacturing and empathetic artificial intelligence. What we are witnessing with the AITO M9, and specifically with that mesmerizing Champagne Tower factory test, is a harsh, brutal reality check for the global automotive hierarchy. The era where a brand could dominate the luxury market simply by adding softer Nappa leather, thicker sound-deadening materials, a louder V8 engine, and a prestigious badge to the hood is officially dead. Mechanical engineering has hit a hard physical ceiling. You cannot bend the laws of physics with steel springs and hydraulic fluid alone. Huawei and Ceres have proven that the only way to achieve true, absolute luxury, which is the complete absence of physical stress and fatigue for the human body, is through computational superiority. When a vehicle can wake itself up in the factory, mathematically map the concrete floor, test its own suspension dynamics, and park itself without a single human touch, it stops being a traditional automobile. It evolves into a highly advanced artificial intelligence unit that merely happens to have wheels. The footage of those glasses on the hood is not just a clever marketing stunt for social media engagement. It is a direct, unapologetic warning shot to the entire Western automotive industry. The rules of vehicle dynamics have been fundamentally rewritten by code, optical lasers, and predictive mapping. The focus is no longer on how the car drives, but on how the car protects the human experience from the harshness of the outside world. If you are an engineer sitting in Germany, Japan, or Detroit right now, watching an M9 mathematically delete a speed bump while the water in the cup remains perfectly still, you are looking at the exact future you were not prepared for. The game has changed. The Turing chassis is leading the charge, and the mechanical era is officially in the rearview mirror.